Jackson again. This is part 2 of the firework watch. But there's nothing happening right now. Basically, they just light one off. I mean, I don't think they want to be signed on camera. Might be lucky. You guys might be able to watch some fireworks. Well, if you're not watching fireworks, you can go light your own. I mean, I'm not giving you a full fireworks show. What do you think this is? The MCT? Nah, I just made it up by the way. But shout out to Michael. Shout out to Dylan. Shout out to Garrison, which is all my brother's friends. Shout out to you, Hunter, which is my brother. He's not here right now. He's watching my grandmother's dog. But just wait. I don't know. They just set off a firework like 5 seconds ago, and but now they're not signing it off. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna have some good ones for my fans, boys. We just entered a minute. Boys, light up some fireworks. I'm shouting you out right now. Whoever lives over there, I'm shouting out. So, you guys light off some more fireworks. Do the good works. You guys got some good ones going. But yeah, all that good business. I don't think they're going to do it right now. But not with all these cars going. I mean, traffic stopped earlier, so I guess once all the cars are gone, I guess that's going to be like midnight. Once all the cars are gone, they're going to probably do it. Because I don't think they want people catching them. Why no fireworks? These guys. Yeah. Super Mario Logan, shout out to you. Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, those are all YouTubers. Go check out their channels. Jacksepticeye, Super Mario Logan, and Markiplier. Or he goes by Marky Moo. Those three are my favorite YouTubers. Just go check them out. And also Dan TDM. Check out Dan TDM. Well, you heard some fireworks. I guess you saw one. 2, I would have to assume. We now entered our 3rd minute. You know what? I'm gonna end this video here. You guys got to hear some fireworks, but I'm gonna make a 24. I really don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna probably make a scary video sometime today, or I don't know. See ya.